Hello, namaste, राधे राधे people. This is Arnika and you're watching Arnika blog. आज की वीडियो is going to be one of the most exciting and amazing video. Why I am saying this? So because have you ever thought about the language जो speak louder without even making a sound? मतलब yes, absolutely right. अगर आप लोगों ने गैस कर लिया होगा कमेंट बॉक्स में, इट इज़ ASL. बेसिकली ASL क्या होती है? ASL ये होती है, वो है अमेरिकन साइन लैंग्वेज. आई विल रिपीट, अमेरिकन साइन लैंग्वेज. इट्स नॉट जस्ट ए लैंग्वेज, इट इज़ a bridge to connect with million people around the world. ठीक है, तो yeah, today we are going to dive into something that I have learned, found fascinating about ASLI. Now why it is, for me, I'm the person who love to learn new stuff. I love to do new things, but it's just not my hobby. It is what helps me to it helps me in the way to open the doors for the new culture. I'm inviting new cultures in my life. I want new people in my life. I want new perspectives of people. I want to be around the people with all the kinds of personalities. And ASL is one of those skills that is really adding the meaning in my life journey, because मैंने बहुत जगह पे देखा है, कुछ लोग जो है वो बोल नहीं पाते हैं, कुछ लोग सुन नहीं पाते, कुछ लोग देख नहीं पाते हैं, राइट? उनसे हम लोग कनेक्शन कैसे बना सकते हैं? तो दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन पर्पस वीडियो भी है और साथ में मेरा भी इंटरेस्ट था, तो यस, इसके लिए मैंने ये वीडियो बनाई है. अब इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होती है गाइस? सबसे पहले तो हम लोगों को इंक्लूसिविटी मिलती है. अब ASL, जिसे मैंने बोला है, डेफ पीपल को सुनने में मुश्किल आती है, तो इमेजिन करो अगर हमें उनसे कुछ बात करनी रही तो हम कैसे करेंगे? थ्रू नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. है नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशंस में we are going to go through gestures, postures, our body language, which is one of the most important stuff in the world, right? फिर वो हमें यूनिवर्सल कनेक्ट करने में भी हेल्प करती है. लैंग्वेज का बेसिकली, लैंग्वेज मतलब क्या होती है? लैंग्वेज इज ऑल अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन और कनेक्टिंग विथ पीपल. It does not need any colors, it does not need any words to do. You just need to be like, अगर आपको थैंक यू बोलना रिया या फिर you say smile and go down, so it's a non-verbal communication, but you're communicating through something, right? और boost your brain power too. स्टडीज़ ने बताया है, जो साइन लैंग्वेज पढ़ रहे हैं उन लोगों के अंदर पता है क्या हो रही है? एक तो शार्प मेमोरी होती है, इम्प्रूव मल्टीटास्किंग होती है, हेल्प इन लर्निंग अदर्स लैंग्वेज टू. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट इन माय लाइफ. आई वांट टू लर्न न्यू स्टफ बिकॉज आई एम द पर्सन हु लव टू इंटरैक्ट विथ अदर पीपल. नो मैटर कुछ भी हो, जो भी हो, मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना है. और सबसे बेस्ट चीज़, एक्सप्रेशन एंड क्रिएटिविटी में भी हेल्प करता है. जैसे कि हम लोग हमारी बॉडी को एक्सप्रेस कैसे करते हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या होती है, हमारी बॉडी के मूवमेंट्स क्या है, मेकिंग इट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सप्रेसिव फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. द जेस्चर्स आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. तो आज हम वीडियो में बेसिकली क्या सीखने वाले हैं गाइस? आज हम ABCD सीखेंगे, बट थ्रू आवर हैंड्स, हैंड जेस्चर्स के साथ. तो चलिए, लेट्स बिगिन टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू विल एंजॉय इट एंड यू विल डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब अगर आपको ये ऐसी वीडियोस पसंद आती है. लव यू ऑल. लेट्स बिगिन. नाउ गाइस, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग मुझे बस इतना ही बोलना है, जो आपके डोमिनेंट हैंड होती है, अगर आप लेफ्टी हो और आपका लेफ्ट हैंड डोमिनेंट है, तो स्टार्ट विद दिस हैंड प्रैक्टिसिंग ASL. और अगर आप राइटी हो तो वाइस वर्सा, राइट हैंड. आई एम लेफ्टियन, सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द लेफ्ट हैंड. एंड साइन लैंग्वेज मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप ऐसे स्पीड में ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो. नो, इट शुड बी क्लियर, प्रिसाइज, एंड यू शुड बी स्लो the other person should understand it. So चलिए letters wise we'll start today learning ASL. Let's start with letter A. In this, you should close your palm and your thumb should be outside, not inside. There are meanings to each and every letter. So this is my dominant hand and I have started with the letter A. This is A. 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 Thumb should be inside. B. B. Letter C and this is C. You are making the shape of letter C. C. Letter D, you have to close your four fingers and one finger should be look like letter D. This is letter D. D. As I told you, the hands are most important. Over here, for E letter, we have to just close this down and put your thumb under this. Rest it over, your palms. This is letter E. 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 Letter E. Letter F, we want to do it this way. All the three fingers are up and your index and thumbs come together and this create letter F. F. Letter F. Next letter, that is G. All the fingers should be close and your index fingers and thumb fingers should be pointing outside. This is the letter G. Letter G. Letter G. The letter H, all the fingers should be closing like your three fingers. These three fingers are going to be closed down and the two fingers should be point outside. This is called as letter H. Letter H. Letter H. Letter is easy, that is I. You have to close all your finger and only your pinky finger should be up. So this is called as letter I. Letter I. Letter I. This letter is letter J. What we have done for letter I is we are pointing it up. For this you are going to create a letter J in air, like letter J. Letter J. It should show the letter J going like this. So this is letter J. Next letter is letter K. Now K is a bit tricky, so please make sure you should close this two fingers. Over here we have two fingers pointing straight up, right? Apart them, put your thumb in between and this is the letter K. It look like this. Letter K. Letter K. Letter K. Next letter is letter L. So this is the letter L and it is just looking like the letter L. Letter L. Letter L. It's just looking like a capital, right? Do comment below me. And now we are going to the next letter. Next letter is letter N. For this you have to close firstly your thumb inside, then this index down, and this should be three bumps up. It's looking like letter M. This is letter M. Letter M. Now next, for the next letter we have to again put this down, and this down for now. And this two will be up, the two bumps. Like for M we were having three, for N we are having only two. So it's 1, 2, ta-da-da. So this is, and your thumb should come little bit outside. This is letter N. This represent letter N. Letter N. So it is letter O and this looks like a letter O. Letter O. Letter O. Letter P. It's look like the letter K but it's downside. So this is letter P. Letter P. Letter P. And next letter is letter Q. It's just the letter like G, but it's upside down. So this is letter Q. Letter Q. Letter Q. I hope you're enjoying today's video and learning something new. So this is letter Q. For letter R, we have to close this all fingers pointing to up, twist this to, and this is the letter R. Letter R. Letter R. Letter is letter S. We have to close our palm and make sure that your thumb should be on this third number finger. This is letter S. Letter S. Letter S. As I told you, thumb plays an important role in sign gestures, so please make sure you should do it properly. So this is letter S. The letter T, you have to close all the fingers again. Next, open bit this finger between, thumb should come between your index finger and the middle finger. This is called as letter T. Letter T. Letter T. Letter is letter U. So your two fingers are squeezed together upward and these two are going to be downward like this, and you're holding this. It is letter U. Letter U. Letter U. This is letter V, and it is very easy. Like it shows capital letter mein V wala. So it is letter V. Letter V. But in this you have to just separate bit. Okay, so it's like letter V. Letter V. So we have W. So over here, three fingers are up, this two down. It's look like letter W. 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 Letter is letter X, and this is not the letter X. This is wrong. First of all, you have to put all your finger down, then it create like a hook. You should create it like a hook, and this is the letter X. 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 This letter is letter Y. So just your pinky and your thumb should become outside, and this represents letter Y. Y. Letter Y. Letter Y. Letter Z, you have to close your all the finger, just the index finger should be up, and in air you should create a letter like Z. This is Z. Z. It should be clear, right? So 1, 2, 3. Letter Z. Z. This video. And I have learned sign gestures to say thank you. So I hope I'm not going to be wrong in this. So let's see how they say thank you. You have to put your palm, के ये जो first three fingers है, on your chin and say thank you. So this is all for today. I hope you have learned something new. And I'm so sorry, recently मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी सी ख़राब हो गया था, तो इसके लिए I was not able to make few videos. But I hope you enjoyed today's video of ASL. ASL, again I'm saying ASL means American Sign Language, and it is one of the most unique and amazing stuff to learn. Happy learning, happy Navratri, Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Namaste. Chalo, signing off for today. Bye, love you all 3000 times.